Are you ready to take the next step toward earning your bachelor's degree at California State University, Dominguez Hills, CSUDH? If you're looking to apply as an upper division transfer student, here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the application process with ease. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what to do, what to prepare, and how to submit your application with confidence. Let's get started. Step 1. Review admission requirements. Before you start your application, visit the program website to review the admission requirements. This includes checking the admission criteria for upper division transfer applicants and making sure you meet all of the qualifications. You'll also want to check if your program requires any additional materials so you're fully prepared before applying. You'll want to take note of the application filing period. You don't want to miss the deadline. Step 2. Start your application. Applications are submitted online through Cal State Apply. Head to calstate.edu/apply and select the term you're applying for. Then click Apply to get started. Step 3. Create an account and set up your profile. If you are new to Cal State Apply, create an account. Otherwise, simply sign in with your existing Cal State Apply credentials. Step 4. Set up your extended profile. As a transfer applicant under Degree Goal, make sure you select First Bachelor's Degree to ensure you're applying correctly. Step 5. Select your program. Head over to the Add Programs page. Search for your program by name or use keywords to find the right one. If multiple listings appear, click on each one to view the full program details and identify the differences, helping you select the option that best suits your needs. Click the plus sign next to the program you want to apply for. Step 6. Fill out the application sections. Next, you'll fill out sections for your personal information, academic history, and any supporting information required for your program. Step 7. Upload program requirements if applicable. Some programs require additional program materials. Make sure to upload them into the Program Materials section. Materials may include things like personal statements, resumes, or letters of recommendation. Step 8. Review, submit, and pay the application fee. Once you've completed the application, double-check your information to make sure everything is accurate. When you're ready, submit your application and pay the application fee. Step 9. Request your official transcripts. You'll need to request official transcripts from all the colleges or universities you've attended. Make sure to have your transcripts sent electronically to CSUDH's Office of Admissions and Records. Final reminders and next steps: meet the deadline. Be sure you complete all required steps, including requesting transcripts, before the application deadline for your chosen term. Program-specific deadlines can be found on the program website. Have questions? If you have any questions about the program, requirements, or deadlines, please contact the Program Department for assistance. Program contact information can be found on their website. Track your application. After the application, materials and documents have been successfully submitted, you'll receive notifications from the CSU Office of Admissions and Records with instructions for logging into the My CSUDH portal and learning how to track your application status. That's it! You're all set to apply. We can't wait to see your application come through.